Welcome to Matchers Keepers, the game where couples win when they agree and lose when they don't. Let's meet our first contestants, Amy and Karol. So tell me, have you two had disagreements about furniture?
Next question, please.
I see. Maybe a little augmented reality could help. So you two both have your Google Pixel 2s out with your IKEA Place apps, correct?
Yep.
Let's play
Matchers Keepers.
Matchers Keepers. Matchers Keepers.
Lamps. In this round, you have 15 seconds to place a lamp in the corner of each of your respective rooms. If you both choose the same AR lamp, you win the real thing. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Matchers Keepers.
Matchers Keepers. Matchers Keepers.
Matchers
You can
Keepers.
do it!
Matchers Keepers.
Matchers Keepers.
Matchers Keepers.
Oh, take it away. Time's up. It's time for the moment of truth. That's a match! Look at that. Do you two have ESP? Congratulations, our first winner.
Matchers Keepers.
We are going to give you something to go with your lamp. Do you guys like confetti?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Little sprinkle here. And there you go.
Matchers Keepers. Matchers Keepers. Matchers Keepers.
6. Woo, 5, 4, and 3, and 2, and 1.